Hello all, I am Abhay. I am from Vijayawada and I study electrical engineering at IIT Tirupati. In this video, I am going to show you a decent static website which I have built. I built this with the help of CCBP 4.0 program from Nextwave. So let's start. I have built this website using HTML and CSS. I have also used Bootstrap CDN to make my life easier. Now, before building any website, we need to know how to design the layout. In this website, In building this website, I have used the Flexbox method to design the layout. So first, I have added a background image. Then I have created a background container for this Taj Mahal card container. Similarly, for a Golden Temple, Mysore Palace, and Varanasi also, I have created different card containers. Now, in this card container, Taj Mahal and the description of Taj Mahal is contained in a text container. So in each favorite place card container, we have a text container and an image. Text container contains the heading and the description of the monument. So let's start. I've also used Bootstrap. Here is the Bootstrap path. So now let's view the HTML code. This container element contains the background image and the favorite places heading. You can see it here, H1 class favorite places heading. And now coming to the cart Taj Mahal cart container, I have created another div element. In this div element, it contains the heading and the description of the monument. So now, as you can see, this div element contains the heading element and the paragraph element. And then I've added the image using the void HTML element img. It is called void element because it has no end tag. Now, coming to Golden Temple also, I have used the same favorite places card container, and this card container contains card heading and card paragraph, and then I added image. Similarly, for Mysore Palace also, the heading and paragraph is contained in a text container using div element, and then I've used flexbox method to align the elements in the layout. So when we use so to align any elements in HTML, we need to make sure those elements are present in the flexbox container. Now this flexbox container, we can define a flexbox container by using the class value by using the class name dflex. So if we use the class name dflex, any container becomes the flexbox container, and any element in a flexbox container is called flex item. Any element in a flexbox container is called flex item. So these all comes under flexbox items. Not all these. In this card container, the flex elements are the text container and the image. So we need to align these horizontally. So we use the bootstrap property flex row. Even flexbox deflex is also a bootstrap property. So I've added bootstrap here. Now coming to CSS, styling these things. So for the background image, I've used the name favorite places background container. This is the image URL. To make it look good, I've used 100 viewport height. To ensure no repetitions, I've used the background size property and cover value. Now coming to favorite place heading. This one, the favorite place heading. As you can see, the color is white, font family is Roboto, and these are other properties. Now, favorite place card container. This one, the white container present here. You can see the background color is white, and also to make it look good, I've used the properties, border properties. Then coming to favorite places card heading. This one, this is the favorite places card heading. Taj Mahal. This is the color which I have used. I think it contrasts well with the background. Similarly, I've used Roboto font family and the other properties. Now coming to paragraph. This color, I've used the color, the hex code color. Then other properties. Now card image. So to make it look good, I have rounded the image corners using border radius property, and also to make it look good, I've used height and width as 100 px and 80 px. This is my first decent website, first decent static website which I built with the help of CCBP 4.0 program from Nextwave company. Thank you. Suggestions are always welcome. You can comment and subscribe to my channel. Please comment and subscribe to the channel.